Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo V40e smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power key together. Now tap on power off to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for few seconds. Press and hold it and now release. And you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G fast boot mode. Now here volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here go to recovery mode and confirm. And you can see Vivo 5G recovery. Here you can see install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart. Simply go to clear data. So you can see clear cache, clear all data. Go to clear all data. So guys, here you can see all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered. If cleared, proceed with caution. Now simply tap on OK. Tap on OK and you can see it is clearing data. Do not use the device. And you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return. After it, go back and you can see on bottom power off and restart. Tap on restart. You can see, as you can see, restart your device. Tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset it might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo V40e smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.